This tutorial video here will instruct you on how to install and set up your 4, 9, or 16 channel power supply enclosures. We have all three of them here on video. The smaller one being the 4, then this the 9, and then the 16. We'll take a quick peek inside of these units. This is the 4 channel unit, which is very compact. It has a standard 110 volt cable here, which just snaps into place, and then this cable will just plug into your AC outlet. You have 4 pre-drilled holes on the casing here, on the top and on the bottom, so it'll allow you to mount this on your wall and hide your cables through the back, which you can either drill a hole right on the back panel, or it comes with two slots on the bottom, which will allow you to open that and put your cables in through there. Or it also has 2 slots on this side and 2 slots on the other side. This unit is very simple to set up. It's equipped with 8 set screws on the bottom, those green guys right there, which will allow you to hook up your cable, your power leads, positive and negative, in a row for all 4 of your cameras. They will go red, black, and in that order, and so on for all 4 cameras. Red being positive and black being negative. So this is your 12 volt 4 channel unit. Of course, it is also equipped with a diagram in here explaining to you exactly what I just mentioned. We'll go on to the 9 channel unit. This is our 9 channel unit here. It's the same size as your 16 channel, but we'll see the difference inside. Once we open this guy up, you can see that it's much larger than the unit we were just looking at. It's about 3 times the size. And inside of it we have this regulated power supply, just like on the 4 channel. It's also a regulated power supply, and it's a little bit different in this case because we have LEDs which will show us each channel. If it's working properly, that LED will light up. All 3 of these power supplies are equipped with automatically resettable fuses, so you don't have to replace any glass fuses or anything like that. In an event of a surge, they will auto reset. It's very easy to set these up. As you see, you have all of your red leads hooked into the top row. These are your positives, and all of the black leads are hooked on the bottom row, which is your negative row. So as long as you hook up positive on the top and negative on the bottom, you'll be set. The last 2 cables that are on here are thicker gauge wires, and these are the actual wires coming from the power supply unit. You don't want to mess with those. Just with the numbered 1 through 9 on the top and bottom there. This is actually a 9 channel box. So if you're using 8, you have 1 additional channel on there. It can be used for a microphone or anything like that, or any other 12 volt device. And this also has an instruction manual here on the side of it, on the side panel, on the face panel. Now the 16 channel version is pretty much the same exact setup, but you can see here the board inside is much longer. It's twice the size. It's actually going to give you 18 hookups on there, so you have space for 2 microphones or 2 additional cameras if you go with a larger system or additional systems. And again, you have resettable fuses, and you have LEDs which will allow you to see the status of that individual channel, whether it's working or not. As long as the light is on, you should be okay. This also has a green light on the left here, indicating just the overall status of the power supply, if it's on or off. Now, these red leads that you see here are your positive. Again, positive on the top, negative on the bottom. All of the black wires will go on the bottom. You just unscrew that terminal there and place your cable inside. You want to give it about 3/8 of an inch of cable, and then set it in there and tighten that screw real tight on there. Again, you do not want to mess with these last 2, the thicker wires that are already pre-installed. Those go connected to this regulated power supply that's on the bottom. Now these units already come with a 110 volt cable installed on here, and you can run it through the back or through the sides or through the bottom. You will have slotted holes on there so that you can use those if you wish. You can always open your own if you need to. And again, the 4 channel one, you must, on the 4 channel version, which is this guy here, you have to install this cable yourself. It'll just snap into place right here with a snap-on connector. The 9 and the 16 already come pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about that.